Hi, SS3 economic students. Today's class is a continuation of our last topic, which was consumer and producer surplus. Today, we are going to be treating indifference curve. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to define indifference curve. You should be able to explain the meaning of an indifference map, and you should be able to explain the features of an indifference curve and also its uses. Firstly, what is an indifference curve? An indifference curve is referred to as a diagram or a curve or a graph that shows the various combinations of two commodities that gives a consumer the same level of satisfaction. We have two means by which a consumer satisfaction for a commodity can be measured. We use the ordinalist or the cardinalist approach. Now, under the ordinalist approach, we rank a consumer's level of satisfaction based on various combinations of two commodities that gives him the same level of satisfaction. Take for instance, you have rice and you have beans. We rank his satisfaction for rice and beans, combining the consumption of these commodities at a time. So we use what is called an indifference curve, showing the various combination of these two goods that produce the same level of satisfaction for the consumer. Secondly, an indifference map. Now, when we combine two or more indifference curve, what we get is called an indifference map. An indifference map is referred to as a diagram that combines two or more indifference curve, showing the various combinations of different commodities that gives a consumer the same level of satisfaction given the various prices and the various income of the consumer. Now, what are the features of an indifference curve? Number one, an indifference curve is convex to the origin. That is, an indifference curve is far away from the 0 point in a graph. Number two, an indifference curve is negatively sloped. That means it slopes from the left to the right, just in the same way as a demand curve. Number three, an indifference curve is negatively sloped, it is convex to the origin. Uh, the higher the level of an indifference curve, the higher the level of satisfaction that a consumer derives from consuming a commodity. So therefore, if we have an indifference map, when the indifference curve is going up, it shows higher level of satisfaction. And lastly, number four, indifference curve do not intersect each other. That is, they don't cut each other. So these are the various features of an indifference curve. So we've come to the end of this lesson. If you have any question, please feel free to drop it under the question section, and have a wonderful day. Thank you.